Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at in the MyPTHub app the Files menu. So here under the app, if there's any PDFs that I am uploading to the app and assigning to you, they will be listed here. Now, here is the first one that I have is the Starter Fit Kit Challenge calendar. So it's not super obvious here, but you would think, oh, I just touch this and it downloads, and then you don't really know where to go next. Actually, it's up here with these triple dots, and a new window will pop up, and you can rename it, you can favorite it, you can delete it, or you can download it. So if you want to download it, you click download and then it will pop up immediately. And then you have to put it somewhere. Here I'm on an iPhone, so you can tell it where you want to go. Do you want to print it? Do you want to email it to yourself? Do you want to save it to your files? Most times I just put these things in notes and then they're saved as images, and then I can decide what to do with them later. I've never noticed the Kindle one before, but let's see what happens. Can I put it in here? Send to Kindle. We'll see. I'm the author. So let's put my name and see what happens. Convert to PDF. It already is a PDF, but it must be PDF on Kindle, and it will be delivered to my Kindle. So it's, a way of storing it in a different way. Just, as long as you choose one method, that's going to be the most simple, or you can just leave it in there and download it as you need it, because it will automatically be in there. So that's how you take a look at all your files. So you have those great resources listed there, and you can just leave them there and get them when you need them. So that's the files section of the MyPTHub app.